So the first question that was given to us regarding the logic gates in the Parsifal was in 2011, because this was the you may say topic that was added in 2011. Earlier than 2011, it was not the part of the course outline. Okay, now what does the question say? The first question is quite simple over here. It says question number 10 was provided to us in 2011, 1 May June 11. Two logic gates are the AND gate and the OR gate. Complete the truth table for these two gates. Now for 2 marks, you need to just fill up the complete truth table for the AND and the OR gate. So simply for 0 0 for the AND gate, it is the answer is triple zero. For 0 0 it's 0. Again for 0 1 it's 0. For 1 0 it's 0, and for 1 1 it's a 1. Similarly, when it comes to the OR gate, so for the OR gate says that output will be high if any or both of the inputs are high. So only for 0 0 it will be a 0, otherwise it will be a 1 over here. Okay. Now over here we are in the part B, we are given with the circuit and we are given with the truth table. Now they are saying that complete this truth table. Okay, earlier than 2015 you were not given with the working space, but just after 2015 you are provided with the working space as well. So let me name each of the gate. Let me name it as the P, this one is C bar, this one is the Q, and finally we do have an X. So what are the columns that additional columns that we need to make? We need to make up the column for the C bar, we need to make up the column for the P, we need to make up the column for Q, and finally we need to make up the column for X. So C bar, how are we going to fill up the column for the C bar? Any idea? C bar का column किस तरह fill करेंगे?
सर उसको रिवर्स करना है.
किसको रिवर्स करना है?
सी जो कॉलम है उसको सी बार,
सी जो आपका कॉलम है उसको आपने सिंपली रिवर्स करना है. सो फॉर 0 it will be a 1, for 1 it will be a 0, again 1, again 0, 1 0 1 0. Are you both getting these points? Arwa and Ashina beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for the P. P is the AND gate between A and B. Okay, now you need to have a look on A and you need to have a look on the B, and you need to make up an AND gate over here. So just similarly for the Q, for Q you need to take up C bar as well as you need to take up B, and you need to put up the AND gate again. So just give me the value for the X. Please let me know the value for the P first of all, then for the Q and for the X. P की values बताओ.
पी की.
Yeah.
हाँ, सारे 0 और आखिरी के 2 1 है.
Are you both getting the same values? Arwa and Ashina beta, are you both getting the same values?
Sir, how are we solving this?
Quite simple. For P, what do we need to find out? We need to check. This one was the P, okay? Now P is getting two values, one from here and one from other one from here. That means one from the A and one from the B. So the first value for A is 0 and B is also 0. For 0 0, the AND gate says it will be a 0. AND gate says that only you will be getting the 1 if both of the inputs are 1. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now similarly we are getting the P. Now just find out the Q. Okay, got the values for the Q. Q की value बताओ से.
0 0 1
0 0 1
0 0 1 0
0 0 1 0. Are you guys getting the same value for the Q as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now just find the value
Yes.
for the x. Okay, the value for the x,
001
001,
00011.
00011. Are you both getting the same values for the x as well?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we do have another question in 2011, but the variant is different over here. It's 1-3. Now this is a scenario-based question. You are provided the scenario over here. What does it say? It's question number 14. It says an alarm Y sends signal Y equals to 1. That means an alarm is buzzing right now. Okay. When certain fault condition in a chemical process are detected, the inputs are, now there are three inputs, A, T, and S. And for A, there are two conditions. It says if the acidity is greater than 5, then the value for A is 1. But if it is less than or equal to 5, then the value for A will be 0. For temperature, if the value is greater or equal to 120 degrees centigrade, then it will be a 1. And if it is less than 120 degrees centigrade, so it will be a 0. Similarly, if the stir bar is on, it will be a 1. Just hold on. If the stir bar is on, it will be a 1. And if the stir bar is off, it will be a 0. Now it do says an alarm Y returns the value of 1 if, when it is going to alarm, if this condition from here till here, this condition has been fulfilled. Now there are few of the gates given over here. It says first of all, temperature greater or equal to 120 degrees centigrade and stir bar is off. The first condition. The other condition says or acidity greater than 5 and temperature is less than 120 degrees centigrade. Now, how do you need to make this one? First of all, put up the variables that are provided to you. The variables that have been provided to you are A, T, and S. First thing you are done with. Now, the second thing, it says temperature is greater than 120 degrees centigrade. So, what will be the value for T? Will it be 1 or will it be a 0?
1.
Okay, and it is going in the AND gate, and the stir bar is off. That means S is 0 right now. Just after that, we are going into the OR gate. Now, from where we are getting the other input for the OR, it says acidity is greater than 5 and temperature is less than 120 degrees centigrade. So acidity is greater than 5 and temperature is less than. So it will be NOT gate over here in the AND gate. And finally we are getting this value. तुमने गलती नहीं करी देखो. P में नॉट डाला है.
P के ऊपर नॉट क्यों लगेगा? अच्छा मैसेज
P मुझे आता है. Got this point, guys? Arwa, Sakina, Sheena, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what do we need to do? We just simply need to put up the names to each gate. It will be T bar because it is coming from T. Now it will be S bar as it is coming from S. place this one as P, Q, and this is finally Y. Okay, now you need to find the truth table. So for the truth table, AT and S will be the similar values as it was earlier with A, B, and C. So now you need to move further. Give me the value for the Y. Go on, be going. But just copy down the inputs and then I'm moving towards dot. It's quite easy to find the values for the S bar and T bar. S bar is simply the revert for the S. Similarly, T bar is simply the revert for T. Guys, are you done with this? Okay, now the value for the T bar. T bar is just the revert for the T. And S bar is just the revert for S. So it will be 11, 00, 11, and then again double zeros. Then it will be a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and finally again a 0. Then we need to find out the P and then the Q and finally Y. So P is basically the AND gate between T bar and A. You need to check out for the T bar. You need to check out for the A. So 0, 1, 0. मुझे आंसर बताना जल्दी से for the P.
इस चीज का
P D है
हाँ 000
000
0
again 0 4 times 0
11
11
00
00. Then for the Q
00
00
1
1
000
000
1 0.
10. Now coming finally to the y. So y is the output. It's between OR gate between P and Q. So 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 and a 0. Same answer, Arvase? Okay, both of you are getting the same answer as well.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving ahead. Now we come to this type of the question. Now what do we need to do? First of all, just let me know one thing, that if a water stream is flowing down and there is a bifabrication from here, so on both parts, what is going to flow? Water or something else?
Water.
Obviously, एक पीछे से एक पानी की नहर आ रही है. Now, if it's bifabricated, even though on both the parts it will be a water. Similarly, if 0 is initiated from here and now it has been bifabricated, so on both the ends, what will be the value that will be going in?
0.
0. So if I'm naming this one gate as the P, this one as the Q, R, S, and finally X. So to find the P, what we need to do, we need to make an imaginary column once again for the A that will be containing the same values as they were given for the A. Now we can find it out with the NAND gate. NAND gate says that output will be 0. Sorry, yeah, output will be low if both inputs are high. So for 0 0 it will be a 1. Again for 0 0 it will be a 1, and then 0 and then a 0. Am I clear with this part to all three of you? Vasi, including you as well. Vasi, clear?
Yes,
Ashina, Arva, clear?
yes, sir.
Anyone who is facing difficulty in this one? Okay, so now solve this one as soon as possible. Come on, be quick. Okay, guys, you're done. Yes, guys, are you done? Arva, Sheena, Sakina, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me tell, please let me know the value for the X. Yes, what is the value that we are getting for S? Okay, for the S, 0 0 will be a 1 and then it will be 3 zeros. Now for the x, it will be 0 and then 1. Triple 1. Same value? क्यों?
मैंने R नहीं कह रहा है गलत कर दिया.
Okay, are you guys getting the same value for this one? Arva, Ashina, and Sakina, but are you guys getting the same value for this one?
Sir, how did we calculate for x?
How did we calculate for x? For s, this one, we took 2 r's. 1 0 and 0. 0 0 will be a 1 over here because it's an AND gate. 1 1 0, 1 1 again 0, and 1 1 again 0. For x, we have 2s. S 1 and then again S for 1. So 1 1 it will be a 0, 0 0 1, 0 0 1, and again 0 0. It will be a 1. So in this pattern, we just get the x over here. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are saying what single logic gate has the same function as the above logic circuit. Now basically what they are asking about, they are saying if you have the values A, B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So what is the logic gate that will give you the same answer as we got over here, that is 0 triple 1. Now you can see the truth tables for all and just have a look in which we are getting this answer. Come on, be quick. Yes, did you get the answer?
Again,
Sorry,
or gate.
it's an OR gate. Very good. It's OR gate over here. Great. Okay, now similarly, give me the answer for this one X. Let me enable these C bar, P, Q, and X. Come on, give me the answer for this one. Be quick. Okay, Vasi told me the answer 1 0 triple 1 0 double 1, right? Okay, please check. Are you guys getting the same answer or not? Yes, guys, did you get the answer?
Sir, can you solve it?
Okay. So first of all, for the C bar, it's just the revert for the C. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and again 1 0. Now for the P, sorry. P is basically the AND gate between A and B. So we need to have a look at this column and we need to have a look at this column. For 0 0 it will be a 0. Again for 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 and again a 1 1 1. Now for the Q, it says B and C naught. So you need to have a look over this one and you need to have a look over this one. It's a OR gate. 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 it's a 1. For 1 0 it's a 1. For 0 1 it's a 1. For 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 1. Now the OR gate is applied over the X. So how are we going to find out? 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 will be 1. 0 0 is 0 1 1 is 1 and 1 1 is again 1. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Just copy this down and then we can move ahead. Copy it, guys. Okay, now coming to the next question. Now this one is the next question. Let me label it as well. P, Q, R, and S, and finally X. Come on, be quick. 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so we need to check it out. For P, we need to find out between A and A. So for 0, 0, 1, again 1, again 1, and again 1, and then for 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0. For Q, we need to do this for B. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. For R is between B and C. For 0, 0, it will be a 1. For 0, 1, 0. Sorry. For 0, 1, again it will be a 1. For 1, 0, again 1. For 1, 1, 0. For 0, 0, 1. For 0, 1, 1. For 1, 0, it will be a 1. Sorry, for 0, 1, it will be a 1. For 1, 0, it will be a 1. For 1, 1, it will be a 0. Okay, so okay, now for the S. So for the S, we need to find out between P and Q. For 1, 1, 0, again 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 will be a 1, and 0, 0 will be again a 1. Same. Now finding out the X, it's between R and S. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 again 0, and 0, 1 again a 1. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm sending you these past papers. Now you need to do this further on by your own self. Okay, and if you're finding any kind of difficulty further on, so please do ask me. Thank you so much, guys. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah.